Kenyan betting company SportPesa has threatened to pull out of sports sponsorship if the proposed 50% tax levy on betting firms in the country is enacted. Through federations that they have sponsored, SportPesa says they have invested so much into the country and instead of being punished through higher taxes, should get a tax rebate. Robinson Okenye reports.
In March this year, while reading the budget, Treasury Cabinet Secretary Henry Rotich unveiled a proposal from the government to impose a 50% tax on all forms of gambling revenue, meaning that the rates will increase from 7% on betting, 12% in lottery, and 15% in gaming. This, however, does not sync well with sports federations in the country that have been receiving sponsorship from betting firms. The federations feel this move will take the country back.
If the proposal is enacted, it will wipe off huge investments in infrastructure, marketing, sports sponsorships, social investments, taxes to the exchequer, and other positive multiplier effects.
Should they walk out, it will mean the clubs will completely have no money to pay their players. That's the reality. This thing is not a joke.
Despite the proposal to the federations to seek funding from the Sports Development Kitty where the proceeds will go, the federations feel they will end up not getting the proceeds.
Let's face reality. Reality is that even if we were to set up a fund, the management of that fund is so critical that we don't trust that they'll do the right thing.
Football, rugby, and boxing will be the hardest hit federations if the proposed tax levy goes through. The federations have received letters from their respective sponsors informing them of the termination of contracts should the government implement the proposal.
We've received a letter from our title sponsor saying categorically that should the bill pass, they will have no choice but to shut down, and it will mean closing, cutting the sponsorship they have to the league.
Last year, a bill tabled in Parliament by Game Member of Parliament Jakoyo Midiwo was unanimously rejected. In the past 3 years, the government collected an estimated 4 billion shillings from betting companies in Kenya. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sports.